This is a review of my discovery flight with Alamo Helicopters. My instructor is Jose Corona, owner of Alamo Helicopters. He wanted me to share with you that his company follows COVID protocol, but in this case we are not wearing masks because we are both COVID vaccinated. Don't forget, this video is in 360-degree virtual reality, so look around. After ground school, which included safety procedures and the mechanics of flight, we got in the aircraft. He got it in control and straight flight and handed over the controls to me. I became pilot in command. Once I could control the aircraft in straight and level flight, it was time to try some turns. Although my instructor would be covering the anti-torque pedals as well as the collective, I would be in full control of the cyclic. The cyclic is what gives you forward and sideways control, as well as controlling your speed forward and backwards. My instructor was happy with my straight and level flight as well as my turns, so he said now it was time to try a landing approach. This was the first of several things that I didn't know I was going to get to do in the discovery flight. Next, we start dropping the collective to lose altitude. As we're losing altitude, I'm pulling back on the cyclic control, which pulls the nose up and slows the aircraft down as we're approaching our landing location. After completing a couple of successful landing approaches, it was time to head over to Executive Airport and try out some hovering. Hovering is one of the most difficult things I've ever done with an aircraft, be it full scale or model. Once we got to Executive Airport, my flight instructor put the aircraft into a nice level hover, and it gave me full control. He said, "I'm going to let you try to get out of this." As I was pitching and rolling the aircraft, he remained calm as I tried to regain control of the aircraft, and from time to time he took the stick, got me repositioned to level hover, and would let me try to regain control again. Eventually I started getting better, but never perfect. My instructor kept pulling new tricks out of his bag of surprises. Now, as we were approaching Dryden Field to land the aircraft, he says, okay, we're going to an auto rotation. What that means is he's going to cut the throttle all the way off and let the aircraft coast to the ground and flare it out at the last minute. After I recovered from the excitement of auto rotation, we slowly took the aircraft over to the landing pad and discussed our wonderful discovery flight. I hope you enjoyed.